Hey, if you could find a better opportunity besides doing gig work, would you do it? Or do you like doing gig work so much that you stay with it no matter what? Are you that frustrated that you're ready to, quit or look for something else? Well, stay with me because I found the very best side hustle for 2025 and it works on autopilot. And of course, if you're interested in making, up to $16,500 in commissions, then you definitely don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Um, so, I mean, I want to talk about gratitude, appreciation, frustration, and dissatisfaction. So let's talk about the two worst things first, frustration and dissatisfaction. Why would we feel that way if we're doing something that we really enjoy? I mean, there must be a message in there somewhere, right? I mean, like, man, I'm so frustrated. And people feel that way about their jobs, but they keep going to them all the time, right? Why do we do that? I mean, heck, I would think that if I was that dissatisfied with something, I'm going to look for something else. I'm not sticking around and just, continuing to be miserable. But people do, and they come up with all kinds of reasons why. Well, I got bills to pay, and I got family to take care of, and they're willing to make that sacrifice for their against their own well-being. But I don't know. I don't think you have to, and that's why I'm really excited about the opportunity that I found, because you don't have to sacrifice, and give up what it is that you don't like so that you could have what you like, and maybe put yourself in a really bad position, and put your family at risk and things like that. And it's a low cost of entry, but it's worth the risk because there's very little risk. Actually, there's no risk because you're just putting some money in to be a member, and you're assured that you're going to be in profit mode in 90 days. And if you're not going to have to keep paying your membership until you're in profit mode. So, I mean, where can you get a deal like that? Nobody has that deal. Nobody has that deal anywhere. And so, I think I've talked about this before in a couple of other videos, and then I had some people reply, and they're like, well, you're kind of vague, and you weren't really clear, and I always say there's a link down below that explains everything better than I could. I mean, there's a video, there's a whole sales page, there's a whole funnel. I mean, you could even join for free and it opens up everything. But yet people want me to explain it step by step. I mean, I could try to, but it would take a lot longer than the average watch time of my videos. I mean, we're already past the average watch time. Well, we're at like 3.5 minutes right now. Most of the people have dropped off after 2, and I don't understand why. I really don't. I've really tried to be a little bit more entertaining. Oh, by the way, I have to say that this video is for education and informational purposes only. There's no guarantee on income, just FYI. But I will say that this automated system does have a commission structure that could allow you to make up to $16,500 from one sale. So I am allowed to say that, I think. And there's just about at least 9 different ways that you can get paid. There's like multiple streams of income built into this platform. And you're going to earn 25% commission on anybody that becomes a member. And you don't have to go out and find them. That's right. Yeah. So like you don't have to go out and find the members. The company brings the leads in, they assign them to you, and then AI starts trying to convert them by communicating with them with follow-ups by text, email, and ringless voicemail. And all you had to do was just become a member. I I don't know. It's kind of like it blows my mind that how, I mean, it's an ingenious system, but is it going to really work? Is it really going to work? Well, I am testing it out. I'm trying to find out because I need something that's going to be like that to get me out of gig work with uh, with everything that I'm looking for. I want to make more money than I'm making with gig work, a lot more money, and I want the freedom to be able to have choices to do things. Like if I wanted to take my girl to Paris for lunch or something, I want to be able to do that, right? Hey, maybe I want to go spend the day in Orlando. I want to be able to do that. Maybe I want to go to Lake Tahoe and just go there. And have you ever been to Lake Tahoe? I mean, it's beautiful. Oh my God. Or maybe I just want to go to the Grand Canyon and, do some sightseeing. You know what I mean? I just want to be able to do stuff. I want to do stuff. I want to live life in a way that I want to live life. And, when you're stuck grinding all the time and trading your time for money, there's very little opportunity to do that. Unless you live a really, really frugal life and just sock every little penny you can towards that once a year vacation for 2 weeks or something, Anyway, some people have better lives, and they've designed it that way. I'm trying to design a better life myself right now. How about you? Are you designing a better life? And what does it look like? What does it feel like? And is it something you're gonna get by doing gig work? And if not, what is your plan? Do you have a plan? Well, here I'm sharing with you the best plan that I know of that I'm trying out, and I want to invite you to be a part of it because it's still early on, and you could be an early adopter to this. And like some of the companies that started, like ClickFunnels, they didn't have a lot of members when they first started, but it exploded pretty quickly. So you want to be a part of this because it's going to explode. And if you want to learn more about it, click the link below and go to the landing page and watch the videos, read up on it. If you got any questions, send me a comment and I'll be happy to answer them. Otherwise, just get a little curious. Take initiative. Click the link. Check it out. All right. I'll catch you on the next video.